So I guess our organization, we've been on the road all morning. I try to find backsplash.
Yeah. Specific
backsplash. One of the roughest things to find. We've been to quite a few places. You know, we're still now fine.
We've been to one place in particular, and it was a situation where so near but yet so far, because we saw the one.
Nothing stuck. Is it me? Stuck up now, man.
Yeah.
You know. So we move on now. We move to the next location. One of the greatest things is that the last place that we went to, they gave us some information on where we could probably go and find.
Yeah.
So we're on our way there now. You know, hopefully it is there. Jesus.
Keep hope
alive. We see exactly what we want, and I love that one where
yeah, man, it breaks up
everything that is going on.
But it's a good breakup. It's a good breakup.
Yeah, got some breakup in there.
Yeah, brother, devastating.
Never, oh gosh, mash up for life. Anyways, we're on our way to the next location. I don't know. This is my driver for today.
Yeah, man, you know me already, you know. Overlooks. Overlooks.
Some people, after much investigation, the nation, we still not find it. Investigations were carried out, and it turned out that we still haven't found what we're looking for. But yeah, we're not give up. We got something else. Let me in the brother. You must have to have other type places in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Went to about 4 a while ago. When I said Jamaica, Kingston. You must have other type places in Kingston, Virgo Nation. You can't just be there. But remember a place where look like them sell tile. So I go. We're gonna try them out.
Yeah. At this point, nowhere is off limits. I'll KFC, but I'm going up with tile right now.
Yeah, true.
No, at this point,
you try out anything, brother.
Stop at people, yeah. I don't have the tile, I'm have the tile, I'll put around the back.
Yeah, people, you know, it's a good idea.
Yeah.
So we have what it look like already, so.
Yeah, exactly.
We can't say,
a picture.
you know, I'm not like this one in the back of your yard, eh? You don't, you know, I use.
Yeah,
you want to sell?
Yeah, we want to sell, yeah. But we take them off of your hand, man.
Yeah, Virgo Nation, so me and Omar look, so that we can't look no more. We search, we can't search no more. I feel like we call 10 places in Kingston and nowhere has what we're looking for. So, we're on a different kind of searching, you know. Shante left all the way a step me come to town and look Jimbling. And she should I get her Jimbling going to give you, you know, Virgo Nation. But, we'll just try and plant the seed and then carry it down, see if we catch. But yeah, Virgo Nation, sometimes you have to just not give up, but just take a break from looking. Yeah, sometimes it's just hard to find things, especially you want something that is specific. Hardest thing we find in Jamaica more, but yeah, we not stop, we just get a break. So Omar can do some other business, me now can do Shante and mommy business, which is Jimbling business. We see how that go. Yeah, I never see a tree like this. It'll be right through the year. Like from the first time I come here till now. Jimbling just always a beer over and over. I don't know if I can see them, but I can't go that close up. The tree wet, so I don't know that I'll go. You all climbing? No, you don't pick over there, all of them will drop over in neighbor yard. So. Now I see I can go skillful. Let's take a look over that side of Virgo Nation. You see that? No, I'm not go. Well, I'll go up there, son. You say me I'll go over there. You can't join so them will jump off. Oh, you move like a town your band, man. You don't know that everything literally over there, so you get it. Them thing we have to go through more, eh? A good time to crunch, you know. Good time with. It's a right one, Joanna.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to do it myself. Is something up here wet? Jeez, but when they close to them like this, yeah, I don't think it look good. It feel unreal, in a sense. Because them they so close.
Yes, sir. So just in case I couldn't see them good a while ago. See, sir? These are at least
3 or 4 dozen.
Yeah, at least 3 dozen in there.
3 dozen have enough for 4 dozen.
Boss your boss, you know. Yes, give everybody where you can give.
Come on. Yeah, but like I want to cost back.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
You tell me, anytime you're ready now, look for you still in a tree. You not left none to bird them.
Okay. Must have not great long a second.
Yeah, but you know me, they will take everything.
No, not everything. That's true. No, we can't do this.
Fine, so we close change, you know, so it's a new day, it's the next day. See? We have to clear up something now. Then, we end up find the tile, the same place where we go. What's that man, colorblind? What we have to say about that?
You know, so we stand up there, Virgo Nation in front of Thailand yesterday. Walk with them, see on your right hand.
Yeah, man.
Then go back up again.
Go back again and see.
Yeah.
So that's out of the way. Now we there get some
floodlights. You know, they like to tell them flood up.
No, I never said, and I'm using nothing. This man know about them thing there.
Yeah, man.
I ask them questions. So, you must know.
Yeah, man, I wonder if this a misadvertisement. But there's a floodlight for the song. If you don't tell me when flood up, I care about it. I care about it. Yes, sir? Oh, yeah, alright.
So we stop on the road now. Good boy gonna get some party. We not talk about, you see our party place where we don't normally go, Liz, and the same guy. The place named the Bakery at Spring. Man, the chest high now, man. Tell you, we can't walk and see what it look like. All me know him say now look like the party that we normally buy, you know, with brown bag, with nice brown bag. Probably the money will come in some nice plate or some plastic looking, well thought out kind of vibe. So you go. Man with the high chest. Man can't go regular party now because
No, shape like pyramid.
Yeah, boy, see what kind of setting them the party here. Why couldn't you come in a regular brown bag like this? Watch that.
Murder. If meet in front of you, I go feel away.
No man, do your thing, man.
Alright,
do your thing. Virgo Nation, it's another beautiful day in JA. Rain is about to fall. The sun did shine earlier, so inside the car hot. And that's how I said so. You know, we can't turn up AC as usual because turn up the AC right now and now hear nothing at all. I say. You know, but nice day. You know, I prefer when the weather is like this. You know, the summer still because you know the sun can get really hot more while. You know, something like when, you know, partly cloudy. Yeah. We just leave up by the house, by the way. I dropped off a few things to somebody who is there doing some tiling now. Remember we got tiles yesterday. I'm gonna pick up Liz and the girls. They're at picnic pampering doing. They're here. What are you doing? How is the day going? Must be beautiful, huh? Well, I hope it is beautiful. Hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are. Hope it's summer. Summer started though? Oh, in July? I think the month I remember nowadays in the organization. I don't know if we're in June still or a July we in. I forgot to check that. But yeah, I hope that things are going good for you guys. If you're watching right now, whoever you are, even if this is your first time watching the Virgos, we hope that you're doing alright. We hope that you're healthy and your family is okay. Because sometimes we go through so much as a people, but we don't really get to talk about them. Everybody. Sometimes we go up on the road and you're walking at a certain establishment and the look on whoever is dealing with your face is just, wow, why is she looking like this? But sometimes you never know what people are going through, yo. And every day we get up, everybody's going through something else. That's it. No matter how much you think that person has or have everything, sometimes it look like, whoa, person look alright, man. You never know what that person is going through, so hope you all are doing fine.
You must have put me on this spot. What is it? What are you doing me?
Recommendation, I say you look like a sellout. I'm not see you in about 3 years now.
Well, I have enough experience with the ramen.
Okay. What's the reason?
All the things that happened in my life.
Care to share?
At the top of the list, WORK. LONGHOURS. We can get something to eat? Yeah.
We don't have the
I
time.
was like, me ask for something to eat, but
Yeah, we don't have the time.
and I'm at them nap time. I'm going to die. Sun burning up.
I love your hair.
No.
More? More of what?
More of what, Rena? Come on, babes. I just came home from work and I said, no, Virgos need to hear from me, so maybe if you have a sit down. For the last 2 weeks, I've been at work more than I've been home. And when I am at home, I'm so tired that I'm mostly sleeping. Like, I'll play with the girls and then just sleep take over. And when I wake up, work time again. So it's been rough, but duty calls, so I have to show up. And in the midst of that, let me share something with you guys. So yesterday, Romain took the girls and I to the salon for us to get the girls' hair done, and I caught him, he was about to leave. I saw him looking at us and then him look outside and we see him eye well up, when somebody overwhelmed and probably just wish he could do more, but honestly I think he can do more than he's already doing, because he has a tour coming up. In the midst of all of that, we're trying to move. Then we feel like we're at a point where every time we put things in place for things to just be smoother for us and for the girls, curveball, something just come and we're back at square one. Because even right now, Miss Jessie had to go back home, so we're without a nanny again. And it's hard because, the love surely is there from Miss Jessie, from us, the girls, to her. But, life happens and we wish her all the best. So in the midst of all of that and, Romain making sure that you guys get your posts and we show up, for Virgo Nation family. He has rehearsals in preparation for his upcoming tour, so it's gonna get rougher the next couple of weeks, but we're gonna try to make it through and make it work. We're hoping that we won't have to, take a break, but we're gonna try to work it out. So yeah, one of them things there. But we're here, guys. I'm about to go and get some rest for work again. So let's see how it goes on that note. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.